Ew, I look so gross. It's currently snowing in Arizona. So that's a shot. My phone's waterproof. That's kind of weird, right? I'm gonna go inside now because it's cold. It got more thicker now. Everything's literally white. Look at that view. That's crazy, right? Look at it's getting on my hair. Man, when does this happen? Like 2011 or whatever? It's been a long time since it snowed. Anyways, I'm gonna go back inside again because I want to eat my burrito. Oh, we know. Yo, you can see every little detail. I really want to show you now. It is literally snowing. Like it's a flurry, and it is crunchy. The snow is crunchy. There's my footprints. You can literally grab a little bit of it and create a snowball. Like it's actually crunchy now. Can you see that? ASMR. Do you hear that? It's literal snow. That's crazy. I'm mind blown. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna Snapchat this because this looks amazing. So like the other day it snowed, right? It's because I'm leading on.
My forehead looks disgusting.
Oh, Nathan's here. Finally. Hello. It's been such a long time since we...
On you.
No, why don't you... Did you know they have like a sample now for foundation? Like you can try the sample.
Well, I need a moisturizer.
Anyways, Nathan's here. We're at Target because like I went to the other Target last time and they didn't have what I wanted, and so we're here because it's different. So we're gonna look for the product.
This is literally the same.
No, it's different the other time. We're like...
You should. Let's do it. Come on.
Nathan's little chino face.
Look at Kevin like him.
Where is it, dude? I'm really mad because Wet n Wild had the foundation. I don't know if it's my thing, but work, you know? The lighting looks weird.
Shaving cream! I need shaving cream! Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry.
Refresh your space.
Did you notice how I said I try to
I'm trying to tell them to refresh their space.
No, but I'm more important. Hey guys, go subscribe to my channel. Here, let me do this stupid thing you do.
I tried to do James Charles.
I hate you.
Okay.
You suck more. You could never.
Oh, let me do it. Ready? Ready?
That's ugly, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't do ugly.
You do it.
Like
you do
on my
it. You do it.
What are you talking
Oh
about?
my god, look at that. Mijo. That's so cool looking.
Yeah, I do that with like the mirror.
Wow.
The mirror
Me
that
too.
opens open.
If you also, as I was saying, if you want to see Mijo's video and channel, he has a channel now. So click right there if you want to see it and go subscribe. Go subscribe. Like Mijo, literally his first video.
So many audience.
So free. So many audience. It's like so good.
And I was like,
excuse his first video where he's literally like this like half of the time.
No, I'm sorry. I'm trying to work on it. Don't stop me.
I'm trying to work on you.
What?
I have cash.
You're dead to me.
That's me judging everyone.
You want to see what I'm getting?
Anyways, I found this like really good looking like decoration thing. Where is it? Oh, we're gonna go to Olive Garden right now, so we're just like wasting and like I'm gonna check. We're like 19 to 9, but like I don't know where we are now. Okay, I'm gonna check what where we are in the line. Look at my crusty nose. Thanks. I'm gonna edit my vlog before you, cause I'm top priority and you're not.
Talk to me when you get 92 views.
Yeah. We're at Olive Garden now.
Sorry.
So I'm their kid, right? So as their kid, I gotta act like a kid. Look what I'm doing. Look, watch. You see this? Watch. Yell at me.
Mijo.
So good.
Oh, we like got on the list online, so like we were here faster. Oh, expect the full analysis review. How you remember in the Panera Bread? How you said that? Mijo, come on! Oh my god, I hate when Mijo doesn't interact with me like that. Dude.
My sandwiches is way better than Panera Bread.
It is. We went there the other day. It was crap.
Never been there. I want to go. Is that too much? Yes. Am I gonna regret it? No. Watch this. Didn't even grab anything.
That's a thumbnail. Oh my god. Wait, act like it like something happened. Oh no! Wow.
That's my thumbnail.
So like the lighting is so bad. Mijo, can you get it? Nathan, help me! I'm getting ready. Okay, so like, I don't know if you can hear me, but there's like a big waterfall there and a bunch of cascading water here. I don't know what this is. It's like a trail. You can walk all the way over there. This snow is almost like slightly melting, so like when you step on it, you kind of like slip. It's really easy to fall here. So I'm gonna take a picture of myself and have a cool Instagram moment. Hi guys, so we're right here. That's Arden, you remember? And Brandy. We just came back from CJ's art show. I don't know if you remember CJ. And he just had his art show and he came to the Scented Leaf Lounge. I hate you, Brandy. Mijo's here with his friends. I don't know who the hell they are. But you know what? It's okay.
I mean, it is a nice bathroom, to be honest.
What'd you get? That looks really good. Let me taste it.
They have matcha. No, but they have it on tap now.
Oh, on tap.
Yeah.
Wow. I want that.
Yeah, did you not read the menu?
Their menu. Okay, bye.